Cardano value equivalent to 5.0372 rands a coin. The present cost range, 4.8519-5.1589. The earlier day close, 5.1820. The change was 0.1448, 2.79%. Opposite rate, ZAR to ADA. Cardano cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Cardano cost forecast on Monday, June 12, cost 4.77 rands, high 5.10, low 4.44. Cardano estimate on Tuesday, June 13, cost 4.31 rands, high 4.61, low 4.01. Cardano cost forecast on Wednesday, June 14, cost 4.29 rands, high 4.59, low 3.99. Cardano estimate on Thursday, June 15, cost 3.90 rands, high 4.17, low 3.63. Cardano cost forecast on Friday, June 16, cost 3.87 rands, high 4.14, low 3.60. And multi-week Cardano estimate on Monday, June 19, cost 3.58 rands, high 3.83, low 3.33. Cardano cost forecast on Tuesday, June 20, cost 3.58 rands, high 3.83, low 3.33. Cardano estimate on Wednesday, June 21, cost 3.56 rands, high 3.81, low 3.31. Cardano cost forecast on Thursday, June 22, cost 3.70 rands, high 3.96, low 3.44. Cardano conjecture on Friday, June 23, cost 3.61 rands, high 3.86, low 3.36. In about 14 days Cardano cost expectation on Monday, June 26, cost 3.54 rands, high 3.79, low 3.29. Cardano conjecture on Tuesday, June 27, cost 3.64 rands, high 3.89, low 3.39. Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday, June 28, cost 3.61 rands, high 3.86, low 3.36. Cardano conjecture on Thursday, June 29, cost 3.75 rands, high 4.01, low 3.49. Cardano cost expectation on Friday, June 30, cost 3.76 rands, high 4.02, low 3.50. And 3 weeks Cardano conjecture on Monday, July 3, cost 3.82 rands, high 4.09, low 3.55. Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday, July 4, cost 3.78 rands, high 4.04, low 3.52. Cardano conjecture on Wednesday, July 5, cost 3.75 rands, high 4.01, low 3.49. Cardano cost expectation on Thursday, July 6, cost 3.78 rands, high 4.04, low 3.52. Cardano gauge on Friday, July 7, cost 3.81 rands, high 4.08, low 3.54. In about a month Cardano cost forecast on Monday, July 10, cost 3.78 rands, high 4.04, low 3.52. Cardano gauge on Tuesday, July 11, cost 3.82 rands, high 4.09, low 3.55. Cardano value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026 and 2027. Cardano cost forecast for June 2023. In the first place cost at 7.38 rands, exorbitant cost 7.53, while low cost 3.29. Found the middle value of cost 5.49. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 3.76. Change for June 49.1%. Cardano gauge for July 2023. In the first place cost at 3.76 rands, exorbitant cost 4.13, while low cost 2.94. Found the middle value of cost 3.50. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 3.16, change for July 16.0%. Cardano cost expectation for August 2023. In the first place cost at 3.16 rands, excessive cost 3.45, while low cost 2.99. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.21. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 3.22, change for August 1.9%. Cardano figure for September 2023. Initially cost at 3.22 rands, excessive cost 3.52, while low cost 3.06. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.27. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 3.29, change for September 2.2%. Cardano cost expectation for October 2023. Initially cost at 3.29 rands, excessive cost 3.88, while low cost 3.29. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.52. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 3.63, change for October 10.3%. Cardano figure for November 2023. Initially cost at 3.63 rands. Excessive cost 3.69, while low cost 3.21. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.50. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 3.45, change for November 5.0%. Cardano cost expectation for December 2023. To start with cost at 3.45 rands. Exorbitant cost 4.28, while low cost 3.45. The found the middle value of cost 3.80. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 4.00, change for December 15.9%. Cardano gauge for January 2024. To start with cost at 4.00 rands. Exorbitant cost 4.00, while low cost 3.12. The found the middle value of cost 3.62. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 3.36, change for January 16.0%. Cardano cost expectation for February 2024. To start with cost at 3.36 rands. Exorbitant cost 3.36, while low cost 2.62. The found the middle value of cost 3.04. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 2.82, change for February 16.1%. Cardano gauge for WAC 2024. To start with cost at 2.82 rands. Exorbitant cost 2.85, while low cost 2.47. The found the middle value of cost 2.70. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 2.66, change for spring 5.7%. Cardano cost expectation for April 2024. At the outset cost at 2.66 rands. Excessive cost 2.94, while low cost 2.56. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.73. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 2.75, change for April 3.4%. Cardano conjecture for May 2024. First and foremost cost at 2.75 rands. Exorbitant cost 2.75, while low cost 2.28. The found the middle value of cost 2.56. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 2.45, change for May 10.9%. Cardano cost expectation for June 2024. First and foremost cost at 2.45 rands. Excessive cost 3.01, while low cost 2.45. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.68. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 2.81, change for June 14.7%. ZAR to ADA conversion standard equivalent to 0.1985 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.1938-0.2061. The earlier days nearby 0.1930. Change for now plus 0.0055, plus 2.85%. Ran to Cardano conjecture on Monday, June 12, cost 0.210 coins, high 0.225, low 0.196. ZAR to ADA expectation on Tuesday, June 13, cost 0.